I want to video this thing first.
Like, no.
What it looks like.
Oh, okay.
And then we're just gonna take it out. I'll just keep it.
You
I'll
know,
just
you
make.
know,
It'll just be one.
You sound kind of stupid on the camera.
Yeah, everybody
It's
does.
videotaping. No, because you're like, I just want to videotape this one. I mean, you are videotaping. I mean, they're listening to us right now.
This will matter.
Yeah, it does.
I don't really care.
No,
This thing's don't come off?
No,
You're
just leave it
awesome.
alone.
I know, right?
What are you doing?
I'm sexy.
All right.
Say it right now. Look right at me.
Say what?
Say I'm sexy.
Well, I am sexy, but I don't have to say it because everybody knows.
No, tell me. I'm
No,
sexy.
you're not sexy.
Yeah, I'm sexy.
You're not, Michael.
I'm sexy.
Nope.
Will?
No.
Will?
Nope.
Will.
No
No.
way, Dan.
I'll shoot you.
What, you gonna shoot me?
Yes, definitely.
What'd you say?
This isn't my phone. This is Jack's. My phone's charging.
I will take it and just throw it.
Is this glass?
Yep, that's it.
Is this glass?
Okay, so we're gonna go do it now?
Let's go bring it out there.
All right.
Gotta do this.
Where's your dad? Is he out here already?
Why are you laughing? Oh yeah! Oh!
All right, you ready?
Where are we putting it?
Everybody's attention! Everybody's attention! Please!
Wait, we're not lighting it? See, you can't see anything other than a little bit of light. Mom!
It's on that corner.
Mom!
You want to tell Julie and Bill and whoever else? I know, it's not that big a deal. Really. Come on, hey, Jack. Come here. No, where's That's how we deal. It's right here. It's just a fuse.
All right.
What I don't want is the fuse to go way too quickly and your face being anywhere near it. Yeah. And hold on, let's make sure everybody why.
Here, why don't we turn it, can it go to the other side?
Is everybody watching? Yeah. Don't get near again. Get on that side. Alright. Okay. Everybody go back to the stairs. Yeah, what we don't want is someone to trip over the other when he runs. And then have that fall over and then have a firecracker up your tube. Okay. Alright, go.
Oh, this is going sweet. I'm back. I'm stepping back, man. I don't want to get hit.
Oh yeah.
He's going to get his face blown up. We're having technical difficulties. Oh, there it goes. All right. Just go big.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, the car.
I'm running home, Jack.
You have to wait here with your mother.
You don't have to like for a run.
Oh, that's sweet. These are awesome.
Oh my god, how many are there?
Oh, I hear the sirens. No, I'm just imagining it. Never mind.
I point at Brad when he walks in.
I do hear it.
Say thanks, Uncle Brad.
Let's go, everybody.
Wow.
Do you hear the sirens?
Yeah, they're going somewhere else.
I think that's a TV. I heard sirens on
Let's get rid of the evidence, Jack.
It's still recording. It's 5 minutes already.
Here, stop it now.
All right, I want to stop it right at 5 minutes.
This one's going to be on Facebook.